We present simplified concepts. In this lesson, we will explain fractional distillation of crude oil. Crude oil is formed deep in the ground from animal and plant remains. It is a mixture of different hydrocarbons. Scientists transform crude oil into useful products through the process of fractional distillation. Grade 11 chemistry learners visited a refinery to learn how crude oil is separated into its different components. A chemical engineer welcomed the learners and led them to a giant tower where the separation of crude oil takes place. They learnt that crude oil is a mixture of different hydrocarbons, each with its unique boiling point. Crude oil is first heated in a large furnace until it turns into thick vapor. It then rises into the column where the separation of the components takes place. Products that are separated from crude oil include the following: liquefied petroleum gas used in gas grills and for heating homes, petrol, jet fuel, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oils, petroleum jelly, grease, bitumen, which is mixed with gravel to make road surfaces. Lighter components such as petrol and petroleum gas boil at a lower temperature and rise higher in the column. They are collected at the top. Kerosene is collected in the middle. Heavier components such as diesel and lubricating oil boil at a higher temperature and condense lower down. They are collected at the bottom. Grade 11 chemistry learners left the refinery armed with new knowledge. They had witnessed how crude oil is transformed into fuels and everyday products through fractional distillation. They also learnt that crude oil is a non-renewable resource, meaning it will eventually run out if we keep using it faster than nature can replace it. The learners realized that while crude oil powers much of our world today, it also comes with environmental concerns such as air pollution, oil spills, and climate change. This made them think deeply about the need for cleaner energy sources and more sustainable technologies. They were ready to become the next generation of scientists, engineers, and guardians of the planet. The following are the key learning points on fractional distillation of crude oil. Crude oil is separated into different products through fractional distillation. Crude oil is heated in a furnace and fed into a large heated fractionating column. Different hydrocarbons are separated as they boil and condense at various levels of the fractionating column. The repeated condensation and vaporization increases the purity of the products during the process.